It's simple time, and this is Chef Tatong, and today we are making a very classic Filipino-Spanish recipe, pork and beans, classic style.
Simple, luto na, ha.
This recipe is part of the Simple Cookbook, where we try to make cooking as simple as ABC. And today we are making a dish called fabada, or pork and beans, yung mas kilalang term nito. And I will just heat up some olive oil. I'm using olive oil today. And I will just have a head of garlic, and I will just sear it. Half an onion. Lalagay ko lang din. Half a white onion and half a red onion. Yan. And for more flavor, we can use sausages like chorizo bilbao. But in this case, I'm using a slab of bacon. I'm just gonna cut a few pieces for flavor. Hindi ko naman ubusin to. And yung unang panon, ginagamit din nila yung ham bone nung lumang ham na talagang, di ba, whole leg. So ito, I just add my pieces of bacon. I will add my tomatoes. I have diced tomatoes here. Yan. I will arrange my pork, no, pata, cut into like 2-inch pieces. Yan. Arrange yung pata. So, these are around 1.2 kilos of pork pata. Yan. Then, ito yung beans ko, yung white beans. So, it's very important na you soak it overnight para sabay malambot yung ating pork and the beans sabay na siya maluto. So, ito has been soaking overnight. You will know pag binabad mo siya sa tubig, unang babad mo in the first few hours, nagiging kulubot siya. Then later on, nagiging whole na ulit siya, di ba? Nagiging smooth siya. Ibig sabihin na pati yung bean niya, yung pinaka-bean niya, has absorbed enough moisture. And we just add that. Add it to our pot. Add some laurel leaves. Yan. And water. Look at that. We will add enough water, yan, to cover the pot. Look at that. Na submerge yung lahat natin ng ingredients. Yan. And Filipino-style tomato sauce. We're using UFC Filipino-style tomato sauce. And we cover the pot and we let it simmer. So if you notice, hindi ako nag-asin sa aking fabada. I did not add salt because if you add salt too early, it toughens the skin of the bean. So I don't want that to happen. I want my beans to be tender. And our pork and beans is already cooked. Tingnan mo. Malambot na yung pork natin and our beans are also very tender. We just remove, you know, yung garlic and our laurel leaves. Look at that. It's very rich. And lastly, dito na natin siya titimplahan yung gamit natin pang palasa dito. We're adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of dato puti patis. Here, I just add my patis. And of course, freshly cracked black pepper. So I love this with, of course, rice. Can't do without rice. Well, masarap din to with bread. So, we have it with bread. Sarap niya. Tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto, basta simple! Mga simple, remember, loving is sharing. Kaya share this video and like nyo na rin. Kain muna ako. Bye!